Hello, I'm Wolf61899, and welcome to my channel, I guess. I like Animal Jam. This channel is dedicated to Animal Jam, and, so yeah. So I just wanted to introduce myself. On this channel, I will be doing trading, supposedly giveaways, live streams, maybe adventures, and much more, pretty much. Just whatever day comes, and, so I hope that everybody who's watching this, finds an interest in my channel when it starts to grow, and, yeah, so, this is my mascot, Warren. You guys can't see him. He is my mascot of my channel, and, his real name, okay, I can come up here, it's not showing up, but it will show up here. See, Warren Arctic Wolf, that's his name, and, so yeah. He's my mascot, but I rather have, for now, my animal names on there, username, I mean. So, let's refresh my page. Okay. So, anyways, I hope you all find a good interest in my channel, and I hope that you guys will like it. So, yeah. Also, I know my channel says Wolves. I will change that when I can figure it out, but, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and, hopefully I can see you guys next time. Bye.